Hello, and welcome to what I'm guessing is your first experience with the software Studiocode. This movie and the few following it will give you a general overview of Studiocode's capabilities and should help make sense of the rest of the video tutorials and courses on the Studiocode Group Online University. The first and maybe most basic thing Studiocode can do is capture. What you can't see off screen is that my Mac is actually connected to a camcorder, and that camcorder is pointed at this traffic intersection. So I am actually capturing in real time or live capturing this video feed from the camcorder in Studiocode right now. In addition to capturing, we can also code the video. Coding is the process of marking points in the timeline so that we can retrieve those snippets of video very quickly later on. I've just opened what we call a code window, and the code window is used to code the video. So you can see that I've already created a few items in the code window that we might be interested in coding about this intersection. So for example, let's just code every time a taxi or bus crosses the intersection. Here comes a taxi right now, so I can click that, and it just marks a point down here in the timeline, which you can see. If this is the timeline, it just means that something happened over this span of time, and in this case it's in the taxi row. So for sake of example, if another taxi crosses the intersection here, or a bus, I'll click on this button again and you'll see another instance get added to the row. There's one, and you can see the timeline updates, and I get a second instance there. So for starters, these are the two basic things that Studiocode can do: live capture and live code.